season of snooze alarms, sounding general quarters, nickels, dimes for change. Pomp display of reverence of the fallen, clearly for those failing daily. Ignorance of law enforcers, no excuse by now. Sign the oath and live it. Sign the oath and live it. It's funny till it's not funny. No, no touchy coppers. It's funny till it's not funny. No touchy coppers. No touchy coppers.
If he does have a case, we'll contract it out.
Okay.
So he should not be returned.
Do you know the individual's name?
Yeah, we have it inside.
Okay.
So we just need them to leave the premises.
Okay. How you guys doing?
Sorry.
No, we don't have to worry about it.
Somebody, you guys need his
What are you doing?
How are you?
Good, and you?
Good.
Which one?
The one with the hat, the beanie on.
Hey, how you doing? You?
I am.
What's going on?
So there was a guy who was in here like
Uh-huh.
a minute ago, and he assaulted me.
Okay.
Got that on camera. He's got it.
Okay.
I'm live right now. So I want to show
You want to show me it? So, do you have business here?
Yes.
Okay. What business do you have? Do you have a case? They say they can't find it.
That's our business.
Yeah, I mean that's.
I know, but here, I got two things. I got you complaining that somebody assaulted you, right? And I have them saying that they don't want you on the property.
Yeah, but this is a public building anyway.
No, it's actually rented by the public defender's office. It's actually a private building. The whole bank is a private building, and it's rented by the public defender's office.
Level with me, okay?
Okay. Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
This is the public defender's office. It's a
You're
public
correct. You're correct.
space. I'm actually in the public space right
Okay,
now.
but they rent the
Doing
property
business.
and they say, hold on, because I talked to her. She said they can't find your case and they want you to leave.
And that's fine. Now we need to fill out this report.
That's fine. That's fine. Let me see the video.
Yeah, I'm just trying to pull it up.
Case number, so we can look it up.
I'm gonna go ahead and talk to this gentleman. We've already done our business.
That's fine. So you're done with her.
Yeah,
How
we're
about if
done with
we all step outside right now? We'll all step outside
That's
because,
fine.
okay.
That's fine. That's
I
fine.
got no problem with
Yeah.
it. We didn't want to leave the scene.
No, you guys are fine. You guys are fine.
Appreciate that. Yeah.
We will hang out here. Okay. Well, he's working on, okay, you got it?
We were trying to get some questions answered by her.
Right.
She was very dismissive. She kept walking toward us, pushing us back against the wall.
Okay.
Trying to make us leave when we still had questions.
Okay.
We do have a case number.
Okay.
All right? We just, it's not in their system to be able to help us.
At this time. At this time.
But at the same time, they were more than willing to go above and beyond what they needed to do for us by explaining to us that there's this $10 charge that they charge. It's taped up on their window.
Right.
When we inquired about, is that charge something that falls under statute or is it just policy? No one could answer the question. They told us to go online and find it.
And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know their policy, so.
Well, I mean, and all I said was that if you're having a policy put out and you want to charge for it, I'd just simply like to know what policy or what statute allows you to do that. Okay? Now, there's a gentleman that's
Let me see his assault.
that's coming up. Let me see if I can speed it up for you.
Okay.
this guy here, he smacked him.
Okay.
And he's in that office right now talking to a public defender, and I want to press charges.
Okay. I can write a report, but I'm also getting that he just said, "Hey, bro, you got to leave,"
No.
and that's fine. That's fine.
No, hey, bro, we leave. You think I'm going to bother you for a hey, bro, leave?
Yeah.
He was completely aggressive.
Even these guys are aggressive. I have you can take the report. I'll just send you the video.
Yeah. I'll get your email.
Look at,
I'll get
do
your
I
email.
look like I've been on this planet for a short period of time that I know assault from not assault?
Well, I've been on this planet just probably as
Do you
long as
think
you.
I'm going to
man.
come in here and risk my life? Listen to me, sir. I've already been trespassed from the police department for doing exactly what I'm doing.
Okay.
Right?
Well, okay, and okay. Moving forward, I can write a report,
And I want
I can write a report.
and I want that guy's name.
Okay.
in the report.
I'll get his information. It'll be on the report. Okay.
And I'd like your business card if I could.
I'll have to go to my unit,
That's
but
all
that's
right, I
fine.
appreciate it. And I'm not trying to make your
no,
day more
you're
difficult.
fine.
I'm
You're
here
fine.
just to ask some questions. We got
You're
people
fine.
petrified of a camera here.
Do you? Well,
Yes.
no. Okay. Right. And they do have a right to have to ask people to leave the property. They do have that right. Because, and I'm assuming you guys assuming that, or you just want more explanation or clarification?
We're looking for clarification
Okay.
as to how they can ask a private citizen to come to a business establishment
Right.
that is owned by the public, regardless of what building it's
Right.
in.
Right, but
They
still,
cannot be the complainant.
No, they can be the complainant. They're not the state.
For a trespass?
Yes, because it's their business.
What business? It's my
Trespassing.
business.
Trespassing.
No, you can't say we're trespassing in a public place
Yeah.
and then claim that that's the crime.
No. So yes, you're right, a public place, but they do have a right. There are
It's
certain
called
instances.
time, place,
No,
manner.
no.
That's it.
There
That's
are
all
times
there
when they
is.
can say they don't want you on the property,
Time, place, manner.
and they can ask you to leave.
When they get the 6-year law
When the
degree, maybe
door
we
is
can
closed,
talk,
yes.
have that.
Well, they can ask you to leave. And
They can ask.
They can ask, and we can
hold
say
on, let me finish.
respectfully say no.
Okay, but you will have to leave because it's their property.
No, it's
Okay.
not their property. It's our property.
No,
your
it's not
too.
our
It's
property.
all
They,
our
yeah,
property.
we're
Just like
paying.
you can walk
Yes,
in there.
the state pays their ways,
Just
but
like you can walk
but
in there, I can walk
no,
in
I
there.
cannot. I
I
cannot.
should be allowed
If they
to walk
ask me,
right back in
if they
there.
ask
I
me to
committed
leave,
no crime. What
if
crime
they
did I commit?
if they ask me to leave, I have to leave.
What crime did I commit?
Trespassing.
You've asked.
Right.
That is not a order.
Hold on.
It's
hold
not
on.
an
Hold
order.
on. They asked you to leave.
That's
you didn't
not
leave.
how it works,
Hold on.
man. You know what?
And that's fine.
I'm just going to go ahead and invoke my
That's
Fifth
fine.
Amendment right to remain silent.
You're okay with it? Do you want to give me your information for the report?
Yeah, I need to.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have an ID?
Yeah.
How about you? Do you have an ID?
Yeah.
Okay. They do have a right to ask you to leave.
They have a right to ask, and I have a right to politely decline.
No, you don't.
Oh, I don't have a right to say that I politely decline.
You
to
can
leave
say
my
that, but
property?
you still have to leave the property.
And see, you keep going up this tree. You don't want to go up this tree.
No, that's fine.
You
That's
don't want
fine.
to go up this tree.
That's fine. We are obviously not going to agree, but you are out of
It's
there, and
not
that's
under
you.
agreement. I'm
Hold on, you
going
guys.
by the
Hold
law.
on, but what I'm
I've
saying
given
is
you my ID. Can we fill up?
right. But what I'm saying
given
is
you my ID.
you did comply. You did comply with what they asked, and so we're
I
good
don't
with
have
that. You do.
No, I don't.
Yes.
So you just get to ask me something to do something, and then I have to comply with it.
If
So jump
if
off-
they
can you
if
go-
they
can
have
you-
control of
can you-
that property, they
if
can ask you to
me
leave.
to go jump off a cliff.
No, this is their property. They didn't ask you to
It
jump
is
off cliff.
our property. What are
No,
you
it's
talking
not
about?
our property.
It
It's
is
theirs.
our property.
So they
What are
asked you
talking
to-
about? don't
they
know what
asked
you're
you to
talking about.
leave.
Just fill out this report.
Okay.
I'm operating in the bounds of the law.
You are because you're out of their office.
And you didn't sign an oath to the Constitution.
I'm sorry.
You didn't sign an oath to the Constitution.
I signed an oath to the laws of New Mexico,
And not to the Constitution of the United States, right?
which includes the Constitution.
Oh, you signed an oath.
Wait a minute.
No, I took an oath. Not signed an oath, took an oath.
Exactly.
There's a big difference
You see the
between,
problem
hold
here?
on, there's
You're
a difference.
operating outside the bounds of the law.
There's a difference
That's
between
right. So
a
go ahead and take the
signature
report.
and an oath.
Outside the bounds of the law.
Okay.
Outside the bounds of the law.
Okay.
Yeah. We already know.
We know.
We know. We know that
That's
you're operating
fine. And I'm
outside
not
the bounds of the
gonna
law.
argue with you guys. I'm gonna take
Oh,
your
yeah.
report, okay?
Yeah, you can operate outside the bounds of the law, but we can't.
While you taking
And it's
that
good that
report,
we can't.
Wait,
I don't want to.
Define operate outside the bounds of the law.
I'm talking
What law?
about the
What law?
supreme law of the
What
land,
law?
the
Which one?
Constitution of the United States
Which
of America.
one? Where does it say
The
that
Constitution of the
trespassing can
United
be
States of
enforced?
America.
Where does it say?
Constitution of the
Where
United
does it
States
say?
of America.
Where
You
does it
don't
say?
know your own rights.
Where does it
That's
say
why you're so
you
quick to
can't-
violate
you
mine.
can't violate
And why don't you
trespassing?
just go ahead and take the report?
Go
Because
take, yeah,
I'm asking you.
please go
And that's
take
fine.
the board.
That's fine.
In fact, if I could just ask you one question.
Sure, you can.
Since you said that you swore an oath to the Constitution.
To the state of New Mexico, the laws, to abide by the
So
laws
not
of
to
the state of
the,
New Mexico.
not to the United States.
And the United
though, huh?
States Constitution, yes.
Right. So, sir, could you cut
But I
me-
can't enforce, I can't enforce federal law.
No.
Right, I can
No, you
only, I
can't-
can enforce state
understand
law.
that, But, can you tell me the 5 elements of the First Amendment?
The First Amendment?
Yeah.
The freedom
The
of
5
speech,
constitu- yeah. Can you
freedom of
tell me all
speech,
5 of them?
bear arms, a right to a speedy trial, and what other 2 are there? I forgot the other 2, I'm sorry.
Well, I wasn't trying to put you on the
No,
spot,
I get
but
it.
as a veteran, I think it's important that all peace officers, especially the ones that are
Right.
carrying the gun,
Right, okay.
understand them 5 basic elements.
Right.
And if you're ever asked again in the future,
I don't know, but let me ask you
no,
this.
let me,
Okay, go ahead.
religion, assembly,
Right,
press, petition, and speech.
okay, now let me ask you this. Do you know what the state statute for criminal trespassing is?
Yes.
Yes.
What is it?
What do you mean? Now you're asking a second question.
It doesn't
Of course I know.
pertain to
Of course I
public
know.
property or public entities.
It does.
No.
It does. It does. And
You
I-
have to be committing a crime
No.
in order to be trespassed.
No.
Yes.
They can ask you to leave.
They can ask, but we can say no.
And then you can be placed under arrest if you refuse.
Yeah. Well, then that's a civil rights lawsuit. Just because
That's
that's the
fine.
way you do it, don't mean it's the way
That's
it's going to
fine.
be.
That's
Funny
fine.
thing about it too. If
Well-
your law is that,
Yeah.
What's
if
that?
your law is that, then that's called unconstitutional law. You don't know the law.
It
I
can
do
go
know the
up
law.
to 1 and
I
go
do-
up to the
I
district
do
court
know
and
the
get
law.
thrown out.
I do
know the law. I do know the
New
the
Mexico
statute for
statute
criminal
is
trespass?
unconstitutional.
Do you know the statute for
Okay,
criminal
cool. We'll
trespass?
just challenge it.
Do you know the statute for criminal trespass?
I do.
What is it?
I do.
What is it?
Now you're asking another question.
Okay, that's fine. I answered his question. You afraid to answer mine?
I'm
He
not
said,
afraid of
he
anything.
said that he do. He said that he did.
Then answer the question.
He said that he did.
So you don't want
Why
to?
do- no,
You don't
why
want
do
to?
I-
Okay,
I-
that's fine.
It's funny because I already invoked my Fifth Amendment right to remain silent. Here
Okay.
you are asking me a
Okay.
question.
Well, I'm not asking you to incriminate yourself. We were having a discussion. You asked me a question. I had for you.
I
to
didn't,
answer.
I didn't invoke my 5th.
Okay, that's fine. Do you still live in Jacksonville, Florida? Or do you have an
That
address?
address is good.
Okay.
Please don't dox people on live.
What's that?
Doxing people on
Yeah,
live.
I'm live, so please try not to be doxing me.
I don't know what you mean by doxing.
You don't know
That's,
what doxing
that's
is?
No,
divulging
I'm sorry.
personal information when you know that it's disseminated to other than the people that you're speaking to.
It's like harassment, stalking, things like that can happen because you're
Well, I mean, obviously, I mean,
Sir, just go do the report. I'd appreciate
you
it.
guys get me on tangents, man.
No, I'm
So,
sorry, I'm
doing it
sorry. Just
because
go
I'm
do your
doing it,
job,
and then you
sir.
say a
You're
doc,
dismissed.
and you say doc.
You're
But
dismissed.
what
Go
I'm
do
saying
your
is,
job.
if you want, because you're not committing any crime because you left, right? So if you want to be on this report, I need your information.
You've got it.
Right, and that's what I was saying. That.
for it to be written.
Okay.
And I don't want this gentleman getting away.
I will go talk to him.
Well, I don't want to just talk to man. The man assaulted.
I will fill out the
I'm going
report.
to tell you right now, sir, if there was anybody in that office that was disorderly, it was that gentleman. He should have been called on, and you should be talking to him before
Well,
you begin to talk to
Right.
us.
And no, because you guys are the first ones I talked to.
He
Saw the camera.
I saw the video. Do you have an email address?
Oh, yeah, it's LETZ.
L-A?
LETZOTVO@gmail.com. Let's OTVO.
So what I'll do is I'll send you a link and you can add that video to the link, okay?
You know, it's unfortunate that some people just have a very hard trouble to answering some basic questions when it involves some basic questions, you know?
Right,
So
like
if
knowing
you
the
get
statute for
defensive-
trespassing?
If you get defensive and they just.
No, I'm not defensive.
No, not you.
Oh,
The
okay.
office.
Oh.
If they get defensive and all of a sudden the questions that we asking are very reasonable.
Right.
Now all of a sudden we're unreasonable and need to be leaving, you know? When
Right.
we're not doing anything that would warrant us to
There you
leave.
go. And all I need is phone numbers from both of you.
No, I don't want to get my.
That's fine.
No phone
How about, okay, that's fine. Obviously, I can't make you guys do that.
We protect our Fourth Amendment.
That's fine, that's
So,
fine.
So my question is this now, because the statement is that I'm trespassed from this public building.
Right.
Now, how long is the trespass?
How long is the trespass? Now, if you have a lawful business here, like for example, when you go to court on your case, which you guys don't want to talk about, which is fine.
Right.
And the judge says, okay, then if you don't have an attorney and you can't afford to hire an attorney, a judge will tell you that then you can apply for the Public Defender's Office. And if the judge orders you to go to the Public Defender's Office, they will let them know, and then you'll have to take you on. Okay? Now, granted, the Public Defender's Office can say, hey, we've had confrontations with them. We don't feel safe with them in the office. I'm not saying you guys did anything on the make them feel safe.
Yeah.
And then they could say, we don't want them at the office.
Right.
So what would happen, I'm assuming, I might be wrong,
Right.
is that they would have to contract out to an attorney for you to be defended on whatever case you have.
Perfect.
Okay?
Yes, sir. That's what I'm assuming too. I'm not trying to
I'm
make it
assuming,
out
I might be
out of
wrong.
you, but yeah.
I might be wrong. And you can follow me to my unit and I'll give you a case number with my card, okay?
That's fair. I
All
appreciate
right.
that. Hey, because I know we haven't gotten that yet. Your name and ID number?
That's what I'm
Going
gonna
to
give
get
the
it.
card.
I'll go. You
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I'd rather you talk to him while we're still here. So
okay.
we can
That's
get-
fine. I'll go talk to him and I'll get their information. We'll go from there.
Before we go in there, just name and ID for you.
Officer Cedillo, 2112.
Perfect, man. Thank you. Awesome.
Okay, so I have to talk to the individual. Were you here when it happened?
No, I came down here after
So I'll
the
have to
boss
talk
was
to her
there.
again, get her information and say, because she said he just kind of flicked his thing. I saw him go like that. I didn't see who he made contact with. Granted, yes, I can write it up.
So he's talking about some third
Assault.
party that we
He's
don't
talking
know.
about battery on the person he says that's in here.
That person left apparently. I don't know anything about
Okay.
that. So by the time I came down
Okay,
here,
well, I can't force you guys to
sure.
produce him. So I would have to get a warrant. Obviously, you know that.
So I mean, that person left. I don't know anything about it at
Okay.
this point.
Can I get the lady I talked to first?
Sure.
Her information
Sure.
for the report.
If you want to apply for one case, it would be $10. If you want to do both,
East Carolina High School.
then it would be the $20.
Let me explain to them that,
Hi, so Officer DeCidio is asking, it's Officer, right?
yes,
Is asking for your information because they want to write it up in the
But
police
two
report.
cases, you mean like the tracking?
because she said that he didn't hit her. He didn't hit the other guy.
Neither do I at this point. So she'll be down here in just a moment.
Okay, let me tell these people what you told me. Okay, fellas. So you guys say you know the Fourth Amendment, right? So they say that guy left.
Okay.
Oh, he had to go out the back door then.
I guess. But obviously,
him out.
obviously, you guys know that I can't go over there and force them to show me who he is.
Yep, that's right. I know.
Okay.
It's okay.
So,
If you want to follow me to the car, I can ID that individual.
Sure.
I could just put it unknown individual on the report.
Yeah.
it looks
And
like
we'll upload the video.
it looks
to you.
like I may have to just camp out here.
Well, you know that's not going to happen. They're not going to allow you to do that.
Where
I
we
go to
trespass?
every
Can
court
you actually?
hearing till I find
Hold
him.
Can you actually
I-
identify
one at a
where we're
time, one at a
trespassing
time.
from? Can you
What's that?
actually identify where we're trespassing
From there.
Just from there.
From there. But
not-
hold on, I'm not going to lie to you.
Yeah.
Now, if security asks you to leave,
Yeah.
then I have to ask you to leave the building.
Right. And yeah, and that's understandable because
Okay.
the rest of it is private.
Granted, we haven't got there yet. They
Yeah.
haven't asked me to tell you
Yeah.
to leave, so I'm not going to.
Yeah,
I'm not
and-
going to.
Hey man, I appreciate what they do as much as I appreciate what you do.
So I'm not going to reach. I'm going to just assuming that's what's going to happen next.
Yeah.
Now, I'm not telling you guys to leave the building. I'm just
Right,
telling you, you guys
right.
can't go in there.
Well, don't solicit. Don't
Well,
solicit.
you know what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying.
It's easier to ask for forgiveness than it is
That
to
might be
ask for
true.
permission.
That might. So that's why I'm not telling them to tell you
Yeah.
to tell me.
But I
okay?
appreciate what they do as much as I appreciate
Okay.
what you do.
All right.
But if you want us to walk to the car to get that, you
The
know,
card
that'd be
and the
great.
case number. Sure.
Yeah, man.
Let's go. Yes. In there.
It's funny until it's not funny. No, no touchy coppers. It's funny until it's not funny. No touchy coppers. Who wouldn't want to stop the cops from putting their hands on people? Unless the crime they commit warrants it. Equal treatment under color of law, another mistreatment of justice. It's funny till it's not funny. No, no touchy coppers. Oh, touchy coppers. Touchy coppers. Fuck the loyal order of leather. This conspiracy is not a theory. Brady listings, what a bunch of pig shit. Honor's a terrible thing to waste. Oath breaking's made easy. Honor's a terrible thing to waste. Breaking the oath is easy. It's funny till it's not funny. No, no touchy coppers. No touchy coppers. No touchy coppers. A season of snooze alarms sounding general. Quarters, nickels, dimes for change. Pomp display of reverence of the fallen, clearly for those failing daily. Ignorance of law enforcers, no excuse by now. Sign the oath and live it. Sign the oath and live it. It's funny till it's not funny. No, no touchy